Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So I was just waiting for US jobs data which came out just 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes back, 2 minutes back, and it is almost lowest 261. And there is one more data also which is the unemployment rate, non-farm payroll October and unemployment rate both came at a non-farm payroll came at low, and this one United States unemployment rate came at a slightly higher level. So what does that mean to the market? So it is kind of US markets are kind of flat. In fact, before 6 p.m. India time, US markets were all above. I think Dow Jones was more than 130 points. S&P, Nasdaq, everything was flying like anything. Since this data has come, it is just slow down, right? So anyway, things are like markets are ignoring these things and markets are stabilizing, right? You can see that from India VIX itself. So India VIX have dropped significantly. It is almost going to go below maybe 15. Maybe in coming days, today also, as I talked to you today also, around 1.76% drop in India VIX. And for the last few days or few months, I have been seeing Nifty so flat. Whatever had you done any strategy, whether it is strangle or straddle or any other strategy, you would have made good profit, right? Anyway, this is how things are going to work. At least we will believe that going forward, markets are going to be flat, and maybe this volatility will reduce, so that as an option seller, as a prospective bear, maybe we will make some money, right? So it's been very hard for last 6 months since this Russia-Ukraine issue started. Then it triggered inflation issues and so on and so forth. So markets are super volatile. But last 2 or 3 trading session, markets are super. In fact, India VIX has dropped so much, all the strategies or whatever we are doing has given profit. In fact, this is a strategy we took on yesterday. Today it is an excellent profit. This is not rocket science, just a simple straddle we took, and it is almost in a profit of around how much? 14,000. This is a very small trade in one of our accounts, and we did a strangle, and it is almost giving 5% return. I could have exited this trade, but it's okay. We will wait and see what happens. And ratio spread trade also, which I shared yesterday, is also in excellent profit thanks to India VIX. Not only that, we took one more trade today which was a ratio spread again. I'll show you that ratio spread, double-sided ratio spread. In fact, it is a good strategy that we took today, and we recommended this strategy to our people who follow us on mentorship program. So double-sided straddle, this is very interesting strategy. As of now, it has given a profit of less than 1%. Maybe future, if it goes, maybe tomorrow or Monday, if it opens gap up or gap down, also not an issue, because we have super hedges. In fact, I'll tell you what the strategy is. This is nothing but going long in straddle, going short in strangle, and buying some hedges. So this, if you see this one, 41,200 call option and 41,200 put option is a long straddle, right? And 42,000 call option and 40,500 put option is a short strangle. That is, this is ratio spread, call ratio spread and put ratio spread on the both side. And this 39,500 put option and 43,000 call option is a hedge to reduce the hedge. So in case if I remove this 39,500 call option and 40,300 call option, this strategy will cost around 13 lakhs. To reduce the margin, what we did, we bought some 10 rupees insurance, so that the margin money required has come from 13 lakhs to around 5.35 lakhs. And this is, as of now, it's in good profit. We don't have to worry about Monday. Maybe we will see some gap up also. Looking at the US market, it seems maybe we will gap up. This is good news. Dow Jones is up by 213 points. That is because this non-farm payroll data has come the least in the last 6 or 7 months. So I'll get back to the chart. I'll show you the chart again. So if you see here, since let's say since April, or let's say even from January till now, October is the least. So this Federal Reserve, whatever they are doing to contain the inflation or trying to bring the economy down. Of course, why they have to bring the economy down is because inflations are very high. So they have been increasing the interest rate. They want to slow down the economy so that inflations come back to normal. So that's why they have been increasing the interest rate. Yesterday also they have increased the interest rate. So it is paying off. So what will the market anticipate, or what the market looks or what's the perspective about the market is that if the Federal Reserve's work is giving some results, maybe they will not be very hawkish going forward. That's why maybe they will be dovish. That's why these markets are shooting up. Maybe we will have to have a huge gap up, not a huge gap up, maybe significant gap up on Monday. And India VIX is, as I told you, India VIX is going to further go down, and it's okay. This kind of volatility and all we can manage. So Bank Nifty from days to open to days to close is just around 20 points, and it went around 70 or 75 points on the downside. So Nifty, if you see Nifty 18,000, low was around 18,900 and high was around 18,127. So if we can't handle this volatility also, then no point in being a trader or being an option seller. Bank Nifty also 41,315, low was around 41,000 and 41,300 was the high. In fact, 41,500 was the high. See, Bank Nifty is a jumbo index. Obviously it will make move. That's why the premiums are very high. Even if we can't handle this volatility, what is the use of being an option seller, right? So this is how the market is looking like. All is well, and in open interest wise also it is likely, I think there will be lots of put build up. Yeah, this is Nifty 18,000 is having the highest open interest when it comes to put option, and there is literally no call option also. So you can expect that smart money is always writing put option, and you can expect the market to go on the higher side. And as usual, 41,500 is a high resistance for Bank Nifty, and I have been saying this, 41,000 is a high resistance. If you see here, and if I change this chart to a daily chart, so much of fight between bears and bulls in this 41,500 level. So maybe we will go and test 41,500 tomorrow. We will have to see what happens. If global markets are supporting us, you will have to go long in the market. I think Dow Jones is also super volatile, right? So last 2 minutes back we saw Dow futures up by more than 250 points. Now it is around 85 points on 68 and coming down. So we really don't know. I told just 2 minutes back, I told it is going to be a huge gap up. I don't know how this US job roles data is going to be taken by the market participant, whether we are going to see a huge gap up or huge gap down, we really don't know, right? So whatsoever, even if it gaps are down, Nifty will try to come up, it will come to try to pop up. That is what is going to happen, right? So this is how the markets are. So all you have to do is try to go take non-directional strategies in the market. India VIX is dropping, and I'm sure in next week it will come below 15. It's a very, very good for option sellers like me and you. I'm sure if you are watching this video, you are an option seller. It is the best time to sell options so that we can make money in this low volatile environment, right? I hope I have summarized this video, and make sure you take non-directional strategies and make good profit. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.